The wealth builder's mindset. Shift from casual AI users to long term wealth builders by helping them think in terms of systems, specialization, and scalable value. Uh, I'll start with the tool tinkerer trap. Let's be honest. Have you ever opened up ChatGPT, typed a few prompts, and maybe even made a logo in Midjourney or connected two apps in Zapier? And then nothing. You felt inspired for a moment, but then doubt crept in. This is cool, but how do I actually make money from this? Everyone is using AI now. How do I stand out? Am I really cut for this? I'm just experimenting. And that's what I call the tool tinkerer trap. Now, it's the mindset of someone who plays with AI like a hobbyist instead of thinking like a strategist. The result? Inconsistent efforts, scattered skills, zero income. So let's change that. Shift from the user to wealth builder. Now, here is what separates those who just use AI from those who earn 5,000, 10,000, or even $25,000 per month with it. They don't just complete tasks, they build systems that solve recurring problems for specific people. They specialize, they systemize, and they monetize. And that's exactly what I'm going to help you start doing today. Because once you adopt the wealth builder's mindset, you'll never look at AI the same again. We start with the transformation journey. We'll explore three key mindset shifts that will change your game. Mindset shift 1, from AI user to AI wealth builder. AI user, who is it? Uses tools randomly, learns in all directions, waits for clients or ideas, and thinks, how can I do more? AI wealth builder uses tools intentionally, specializes in a niche or outcome, creates services or products, and thinks, how can I do less with more leverage? The big idea here is don't just use AI, use it to build machines that work for you. Mindset shift 2, from being a generalist to being an industry specialist. Here is the painful truth. If you try to help everyone, you actually help no one. But when you focus on a specific industry, your prompts become more effective, your automations are more relevant, your messaging speaks directly to the problem, and clients say, finally, someone who gets our world. Let's look at some examples. Generalist approach. I help businesses with AI. Specialist approach. I help real estate agents automate their lead gen using AI. Generalist approach. I offer automation services. Specialist approach. I help HR firms eliminate manual candidate screening using AI workflows. So that is what I mean to say. You see the difference, right? Specialization is equal to speed, trust, and higher prices. Mindset shift 3, from tasks to systems. AI doesn't build wealth when you do 100 things once. It builds wealth when you build one thing that works 100 times. And that is the difference between writing one email versus building an automated email funnel, generating one image versus building a social content engine, creating one proposal versus designing a client onboarding system. Now, these are assets, not tasks, and assets generate income whether you are online or not. Some of the common mistakes. I'll test different things first and then specialize later. Bad idea. Why? Because general learning creates general outcomes. Specific execution leads to specific income. And that's why I am asking you to choose your industry focus now, not later. So, what you're going to do is you choose your target industry worksheet. You download the worksheet provided in the resources, and here is what to do. Brainstorm 3 industries you find interesting. Rate them across passion, curiosity level, market demand, check Upwork, Fiverr, etc. And existing tools, Go High Level, ChatGPT, Canva, Zapier. Pick one industry to start with. You can pivot later. You're not marrying the industry, okay? You just dating it for 90 days. Don't stay stuck in tool tinkering. Shift to system building. Specialization is not limiting, it's liberating. Systems are more important than tasks, strategies are greater than hustle. Well builders build with clarity and intent. So, download the target industry worksheet, complete the 3 industry brainstorm, choose one niche to explore for the next 90 days, and share your chosen industry in our private community thread. So, the money isn't in knowing AI. The money is in solving specific problems for specific people using AI. So let's get you laser focused so you can move with speed and confidence. You have got this.